What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm going to be teaching you guys my version of the Avengers Endgame Infinity War, the very iconic Avengers theme. You can be playing on piano, on any type of piano, and I'll have a beginner at the beginning and an advanced at the end. I hope you guys like it. So, welcome to the tutorial, guys, and I'll show you a quick preview so you guys know what you're about to learn and how awesome it sounds. So, once again, this is the Avengers iconic theme, the main theme. Over and over again. Alright, so there's gonna be a easy section and a hard section. We'll start with the easy first. And so with the right hand, we're gonna be starting with it's gonna be G. So first it's this is middle C, and so we're gonna start on the G on the same octave as middle C, and so we're gonna be G, 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 B flat, B flat, B flat, G, G. So that's the first part. And left hand is just going to be this for the first part. And it's going to go together. And then the next part is going to be the right hand. And the left hand it's going to go. So once you put it both together, it's gonna go G and G together. G, G, G. Okay, let's start again. G, 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 B flat, B flat, G, G. And then G, G, D, C. So the C's are together. And so the E flat sneaks in between the G and the C to provide a bridge. And so once again. Alright, that's part 2. On to part 3 is gonna be like G, A, B, A, B, A, G. And so, yeah, part 3 is G, A, B flat, A, B flat, A, G. And the right hand, it's gonna go G, A, B flat, E, and B flat at the same time. In left hand, E flat, and right hand, B flat, and then A and F at the same time. F is in the left hand, and then you go B flat, A, and then you're gonna go back to G and both G's. And once again, okay, now putting that all together, we're gonna go from part 1 to part 3. That's the first part. And the second part is fairly similar, except once it gets to here, so it's going to start up similar, and it's going to go. So instead of going to the C, it's going to go E, C, 1 octave below middle C for left hand, and E at the same time. And then you're going to go C, and then you're going to play D in both hands, D right here and D right here. And then you're just going to play G flat, E flat and B flat, F and A and G. And so we'll just play that section again. Okay, now the whole thing together is going to go like this. that's the beginner portion done. Now to the advanced portion. So the advanced portion, we're going to be working with syncopated bass rhythms by switching positions by octaves, and we're going to be working with 4-hand chords like this. And so to start off, we're going to start off with, on the right here, we're going to have to start off with a G minor chord, G, B flat, D, and G. And so we're going to be going G minor chord, and then octave G is this. Whenever I say octave and then a note letter, it's just going to be the note letter translated up to an octave both. So you're pressing both G's at the same time, and so it's going to be G minor chord, and then we're going to go G, G, B flat, G, G. Yep, so then once again. And so the right hand, and then so for right hand, you can get creative. Once you get practice, you can start doing switching positions. But for now, if you would like to, you can either do switching positions. So like on eighth note, so if the beat is going like, on quarter notes, I guess. No, eighth notes. Whoops. So we're gonna be working on octaves, and I'll be doing the switching positions just so you guys know how cool it sounds with switching positions. And so for the first part, it's gonna go like this. First part. And the second part it's gonna go is G minor chord, D octave, C octave. And so that's the second part for the right hand. We'll try that again. G minor chord, which is G, B flat, D, and G. And then you're gonna go twice. D octave, which is D and D, and then C octave, C note octave, and that's the second part. And then so the two chords for the left hand, the two switching positions are gonna be E flat and C. So we're gonna put that together, and we're gonna go. And so this comes before this, as like I said before, the bridge between the G and the C. And so it's gonna go like, so if we're gonna combine first part and second part, which is the easiest way, we're gonna go. This E flat. So let's start again. Then C and C together, which is the first and second part. And so let's play that again one more time. Third part, it's gonna go G A, E flat, G B, B flat, and F A C, and you're gonna go F major chord, B A, G minor, and so it's gonna sound like G A chord, note. And so once again, it's gonna go G A, E, B flat, G, E, G, E flat, G, and B flat, and then it's gonna go F major, F A C, G A, and then back to G minor, which is G, B flat, D, and D. And so the right hand is gonna, on left hand, it's gonna go, and so you're gonna go. Chord, E flat in the left hand, and then F major chord with F switching positions, G minor chord with G switching positions, and so all of that together for the first half of the theme, it's gonna go like this. once again at real tempo, it's gonna go like this. So the next part is awfully similar, and so we're gonna be doing the same. But when you get to here, you're gonna do E. So you're gonna get to a octave E and C down here, and then you're gonna go back to C, C major chord, which is C, E, G, C, and then D major chord and D down here, which is D, F sharp, A, and G. And so D switching positions here, and then you're gonna go B flat octave with E minor, F octave, F switching positions with A octave, and G with G. And so that last part is gonna be now all together, just the second half. Oh, sorry. That's the first part. My bad, I accidentally played that. Now the second part with the E, we'll play that now. So now you guys have learned the whole song, and when you put that together, you just start from this. And so I'll play once at slow speed and then once at normal tempo. So this is probably going to be the normal tempo. It's going to go like, for quarter note, I don't know exactly how much beats per minute that is, but it's going to be something like this. And you can just repeat it. So you can repeat it as many times as you want. That's it, guys, for this week's video. I really hope you liked this video, and make sure to drop a comment down below to what you want to see me doing next. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at GsFunV, and I'll see you in the next video.